The YouTube automation illusion. Are creators misleading you? The rise of YouTube automation content promises passive income. Many creators promote methods that aren't truly automated. This leads to confusion and wasted effort. Our goal is to clarify definitions and expose misleading practices. We aim to provide a realistic view of automation on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super interesting: automation. What is it? How does it work on YouTube? And what's the difference between full automation and semi-automation? What is YouTube automation and YouTube semi-automation? Stick around, because by the end of this video, we'll know it all and maybe even get inspired to start your own YouTube journey. Let's get started. What is automation? First up, what is automation? In simple words, it's when technology like machines, software, or even AI does a job for you, start to finish, without you lifting a finger. Think of a self-driving car, or a factory robot building stuff. It's fast, efficient, and totally hands-off. Cool, right? This is called automation. What is semi-automation? Semi-automation is a little different. It's like teamwork between you and technology. The machine handles some parts of the task, but you still step in for others. Imagine a coffee maker. It brews the coffee, but you have to add the water and press start. It's not fully automatic, but it still saves you time. This is called semi-automation. What is YouTube semi-automation? YouTube semi-automation, on the other hand, is a mix. You use tools to help with some stuff like editing apps or scheduling uploads, but you're still involved. Maybe you record the videos yourself or write the scripts, while software polishes it up. It's perfect if you want control but less of the boring grunt work. This is called YouTube semi-automation. And that's it. Automation can change the game, whether it's robots in factories or running a YouTube empire. What is YouTube automation? Okay, let's bring this to YouTube. YouTube automation is when you run a channel with almost no personal effort. How? By using software, AI to create videos, edit them, make thumbnails, and upload them. Think of those faceless channels like top 10 lists or animation videos. The goal? Make money or grow a channel without being the star. It's like setting up a little video making robot. This is called YouTube automation. Smash that like button and subscribe for more easy breakdowns like this. See you in the next one, Ebby. Conclusion. Why all the YouTube gurus misleading you? 1. Financial incentives. 2. Lack of transparency. 3. Unrealistic expectations. 4. Limited quality control. Still, if you want to know about YouTube automation, then comment below, so that I will make a video on YouTube automation.